Hello everyone! Ito na po yung ating professional dashboard. So, invited po tayo sa content monetization. Itong content monetization, ito po ay may tatlong tools. Ads on Reels, in-stream ads, at saka performance bonus. So, ayun, perfect kasi tatlo na siya yung tools. So, once makatanggap kayo nito, madali lang siya i-set up. Click nyo lang yung set up. And then, after, refresh nyo lang. Once naka-set up na kayo ng payout account nyo, so okay na yan. So, refresh nyo lang yung application. And then, balikan nyo yung professional dashboard nyo. Click nyo yung content monetization at saka makikita nyo na after few days, makikita nyo na yung mga earnings nyo. Either may earnings man kayo o wala, makikita nyo talaga. Thank you for watching, guys.